Hello, my name is Vince Fiorenzo. I'm the head of LED sales for Samsung LED in the Americas. You probably know us from our LEDs for the general lighting market, which we have an extensive line. We are now showcasing a line of automotive LEDs. We are entering the LED market in automotive, and we are basically bringing our innovation to the exterior lighting. The first product we're showcasing is a series of high-power LEDs for headlamps. We're also showcasing our mini LED in red and RGB for chimsels, for rear combination lights, and for communication devices within the car. We're especially proud of our proprietary GaN-on-silicon-based pixel LED that is going to be used for ADB headlamps. Again, we're very excited to be here. We're very excited to support you and your teams on your LED development for exterior automotive applications. Thank you.